My name is Douglas Petrick, and I work with Canadian Armed Forces. I'm a recruiter with 28th Ottawa Field Ambulance, which is a reserve unit here in Ottawa. We've been having a lot of issues with power outages, and we'd really like to have some stability of our energy security going into the future. Specific factors would probably include the fact that there was a few grants that were being discussed by both the federal government as well as the City of Ottawa was looking at a large-scale program. That's probably what first got us interested. We were looking at some way of either having battery storage or energy generation, generator backups, that kind of thing. And we thought that having some solar panels would be a nice way to kind of complement that overall system. My partner came across advertisements online and was impressed with some of the features that were being promised. We liked the idea that we would have a fair amount of control and feedback of the system. We liked the modern kind of presentation of the company, but the installation itself went very, very smoothly. They did a very good job. So we were happy with the team that came in and did their work. There is a fair amount of administration that does need to be done, both between approvals, safety standards, and Hydro coming in and giving the blessing. It does happen when you're dealing with a larger institution or a larger bureaucracy. It's understandable that happened. We were being talked to by XOLAR throughout the process. They did keep us informed throughout it. Currently, we're around about 70 to 75 on a good day, and I think that 20 to 25 is going to come from trimming those trees. It's doing what I expect it to be doing right now, that if there are energy and security issues going into the future, we have something to look after ourselves, something to look after the house with. The battery backup system would give us the security of having something during power outages, which is a substantial concern where we live. Yeah, so throughout the administrative process getting it approved, there were definitely a lot of back and forths with, the hydro company and safety approvals because of course, they do an overview of the project and sign off on it. So yeah, the Solar team always helped us out, making sure the paperwork was corrected and passed back along. And again, it was done in a reasonable amount of time. So yeah, we were satisfied with that. So if we're turning people's roofs into generation capacity, that's, I feel like, less of an environmental impact. Power has to come from somewhere, and might as well produce it on my roof as opposed to 600 kilometers away and put it through somebody's power line. Productivity has been good. We've certainly reduced our bill from our April timeframe was cut, I think, in half, which was good. And I would anticipate overproducing over the May, June, July, August period. So that'll give us a few credits for the future months.